Bonjour. In Chapter 1, Part 1, you will be learning about ER verbs, but you also will have to learn how to count from 60 to 100. In the preliminary chapter, you learned 1 to 20, or 0 to 20, and in the last lesson of that chapter, you began to work from 20 to 60, and now it's time to go from 60 to 100. You may have noticed that the first 20 words, or they're words, the first 20 numbers, or the words for the numbers, had to be memorized new, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Once you had that 20 down, you only had to learn basically by tens, because once you had 20, then you repeat 21. So you learn the pattern that at 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, there would be 20 et 1, 21, 20 and 1. And then it would go into 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and then 40, 41, so the 41, like the 31, 21, 51 for 50, 61, they have just the number and 1, and there's no hyphens. And then there is hyphens for 22, 23, 24, 22, 23, 24. You see the same pattern now. We've gone from 20 to 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60 is now 60, 60, 61, so that's 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Now, 70 is different. 70 doesn't start new because it begins with 60. So 70 can't say 61. 70 says 70. It's like they're saying 70 is 60, 10. 70. 71 is 71. Why? Don't ask me. Well, you can kind of see there's a similarity, because now it's starting, 70 is 60, 10, and the first kind of 1 is 71, but it's 11. 71 is 71. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79, 79. 80 also is doing its own thing. 80 is 80, 4 20s. Just imagine someone giving you 4 $20 bills. 80. And it has the hyphen. 81 keeps the hyphen. 81. Notice that the S disappears. There's only an S for 80. So 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Now, if you think this is complicated, wait till you get to 94. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. 100, 100%. So you say 100 for 100, 100% for 100%, n'est-ce pas? Percent in English, pour cent in French. Voilà. The first textbook exercises that you will find assigned related to this numbers lesson will be on page 36. Quel âge? You will hear how old each of these people were when they died. Write the number you hear. You do not need to spell it out. These are some famous French and Francophone personalities. Jacques Brel is a Belgian singer. Edith Piaf is a French singer. Léopold Sédar Senghor is one of the creators of La Négritude poetic movement, as well as a member of the French Academy and a president of Senegal. Not everyone here is francophone, excuse me. Mahatma Gandhi. François Mitterrand. He was the president in the 1980s. He was a socialist, the last socialist president. Mère Teresa, Mother Teresa. Félix Leclerc, a singer. And Martin Luther King. That's the French pronunciation, of course. Voilà. And as a follow-up, you will talk about the different activities these people enjoyed. Another activity that we're going to do together now to finish this activity, or this Tegrity lesson, is un mot sur la culture. Téléphoner en France. French phone numbers appear in pairs and are said in pairs. For example, the phone number 06 14 36 76 89 is said 06 14 36 76. That's not 66. 76 89. Practice saying these phone numbers for restaurants in France. So you'll practice saying these numbers, and I'll assign practice saying these numbers, and I will listen to make sure that you are pronouncing them correctly. Voilà, bon travail.